welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 97. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. As always, I will have his links found in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 97. If you would like to see the previous 96, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, of course, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's open this up. And here it talks about German dining rooms. It looks really nice with the tablecloth there. And there you can see a bigger picture of it there. And of course, as always, each of the different pieces are spelled out here from the picture that you see there. And then here it talks about like dressers with doors. That one looks really nice. Really like that one. And okay, so here it shows you how to prepare those cardboard pieces that we got from the previous number. So now we know what these are for, because I wasn't sure in the moment. It was in the one that we did recently. And well, down here it shows you how to prepare the pieces, how to cut them out. And how to prepare the windows. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we unbox all of the entries, we're going to be building this dollhouse. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever we post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Sometimes the pages get a bit stuck in this collection. Alright. And what I love is that it talks a bit about the history as well, which is pretty cool. And well, here we have the back with the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, so here we have our new chair for our dollhouse. It's very, very cute. Well, let's open this up. And there we go. I love these little pink flowers with the yellow background. It's really nice. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Personally, I really like it. There's the bottom there. The back. I really, really like this. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? But I think that this is maybe among the better pieces in this collection. But as always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast of Partenaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. As always, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.